Alright guys, if you're putting on gaskets, specifically on these Hemis, when you go to put them on, if you're putting these gaskets on and the stuff doesn't seem like it's matching up, like I'm going to put it on this way, it's not the wrong gasket, it's not too big, none of that. Like right now, if I put all this in this way, it doesn't match up. This little curve comes way off of where it's supposed to go down that groove. One side seems like it might be bigger than the other. It's really just one. You got to flip it around. It's just backwards, basically, not backwards or upside down. But the distance between here and here is different than here and here. If you look at it, they're not directly in front of each other, up and down. I'm just off a hair. So flipping it around the other way makes all this shit match up perfect, and your gasket will go right in. You're not doing anything wrong. You didn't get the wrong part. You just got to flip it around until it matches up right. Now everything matches up perfect. But the other way, everything was goofy and funky. And if you try to put it on like that, you're gonna have an oil leak. Hope that helps somebody out. Hood Billy Mechanics.